Here goes attempt 1. Sending the image. Screen from the image. This lets you install 3 different, or more I guess if you want to, versions of Android on your touchpad at once. So I think it's pretty cool. By the way, I coded it from scratch except for one line out of ACME Installer that had to do with modifying the Android update script to work on the shell. Although I did reuse the skeleton, I deleted all the init scripts that said don't modify this without permission, so those things are completely gone. And I'm going to say anybody can work with it if they want to. If you can make it work better, then props to you, right? Haha, props. Right now it's inflating some update files. Sorry. Installing the splash image running the Android recovery update script. That's the line that I had to copy because I don't feel like dealing with the stream editor in 20 different places like he did. I'm sorry, whatever. Green, that's it, that's his name, Green. Poor guy. Just formatting some more file systems for the next version of Android to install. How many minutes in are we? We're exactly 3 minutes in, and it's doing pretty well. Yeah! Doing the next recovery script. Modifying the kernel. Dun 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 dun. Installing Google Apps for CM9, aka ICS, aka 4.0.4. Yep. Installing apps for Jelly Bean. Oh, I love the microbes wallpaper. There it is. I like to feed them by tapping the screen. Yeah, I sound crazy, don't I? We are 5 minutes into the install. Nothing seems to have went wrong yet. I hope that with all these attempts I haven't worn out the flash on my touchpad. That'd be sad. Well, at least it went in the name of science. Science. More like trial and error. I wonder how, if world leveling does bite crack flashes, or if it's smart enough not to mess with them. It's now installing the CM7. Yep, we go back that far. Me and this touchpad and I. We've passed this. No, we haven't. Oh, yes, we have the 6-minute value. I bet it would take 15 if it had to, which it will on yours, if it had to shrink the media partition 9 times to make, or no, 3 times to make the partition for each OS. Because you don't have to install them all, it will only install what you have. Running the recovery script for CM9. This one puts out a lot of errors because it's a dumb recovery script. Oh no, it doesn't. Never mind. It's modifying the kernel to support multibooting. It's installing Google Apps. It is done, I think. Should be done. It also installed MoBoot somewhere along there, probably before CM7. It's syncing and unmounting file systems. The whole process has taken 7 minutes and 30 seconds so far. I bet we'll hit 8 by the time it reboots, but I'm not sure. Finished! Let's hope it doesn't give a RAM screen or something. Haha! There we go! Alright, let's try 10 first. CyanogenMod. CyanogenMod loading. Woo! There's CyanogenMod 10. It's booting up. Please no boot loop, please no boot loop. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did this. Doesn't seem to be having any issues yet. Yes! Wonder, is my computer still plugged into it? Yep, I can get a log cat. See what it's doing. Screen just dimmed, meaning it's nearly done, usually. Just chilling out, waiting for the device. I guess the USB connection isn't good, but who cares? The screen dimmed, I know it's doing well. It's probably Dex opting or whatever they call it, all those system apps. Here we go. See, it works. Let's reboot. try CM9. I'm gonna have to splice these videos together because I accidentally stopped the camera. I don't want you guys to miss anything. Thinking I'm cheating on this. Here's CyanogenMod 9. Loading. And boot animation is up. There we go. It's still going? Yep. Here's CyanogenMod 9 booting. Along with CyanogenMod 10 on the HP TouchPad. We stopped somewhere around 9 minutes, so we're already at 10 minutes of this awesomeness installing itself and preparing itself to boot. Screen dim, good sign. Again. Now all that remains is CM7 after this works. CM7 installed by my thing sometimes has a bug where it will need to reboot twice. No, reboot once after you've actually installed it. You have to force reboot it because the activity selector pops up before you... There we go, CM9. Before you get to the Google Setup Wizard, and it will infinite loop the activity selector, the first boot. It's rebooting. I'm not setting any of these up, I'm just testing it for now. 241 on the second video. Okay, let's try CyanogenMod 7. This is the most likely one to fail, but nobody really cares about it nowadays, so... I'm kidding, CM7. Loading. And... this one takes a bit longer. Oh, there's my dog cat popping up on the system. It didn't pop up for the other two for some reason. Here's my boot animation. Woo! There's Andy. I miss Andy. Andy was cool. Andy was a pimp. No, I'm kidding. Andy was just cool. Can't say that on next day video, I don't think. Oops. Not re-recording this just for you guys. I'm sorry. You're cool, but you're not that cool. Here's a log cat if you want to see it. Still booting. We're at 3 minutes 50 seconds plus 9 minutes, about 15 minutes or nearly there. It will in a minute it will be. Alright, this is what I mean by the infinite loop. Usually, you can reboot a second time and it will work. I always try that first, but it looks like it really needs a reboot. Let's reboot. Alright, this is our second boot of CyanogenMod 7. And I'm sure this is pretty minor if it does this again. I can figure out what does it and reliably fix it later. Until then, you guys can play around with 9 and 10 on the same tablet. Same time, without having to move, rename, recovery, anything. Just MoBoot magic. Thanks, JC Solons. Okay. There, see? Now it works. See? this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Ding!